Good morning, students. Good morning, YouTube students. Am I audible? Okay. So, in the last session, we discussed the concept of neural control and coordination. Today, we are here to discuss the concept of photosynthesis in plants. Fine, photosynthesis in plants. Before that, I will be sharing the mock test link. Again, I am requesting everyone. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ದ ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. Attend the mock test. YouTube students, you can see the mock test link in the comment box. Do attend the mock tests. Fine. So the students are here. All of you open your chat box. So let us proceed with the first question of today. Yeah, photosynthesis in plants, right? The first question of this concept is the first action spectrum based on photosynthesis was given by A. John Ingenhouse, B. Joseph Matthew, C. Cornelius Van Neel, D. T.W. Engelmann. Who was the first person, that is action spectrum based on photosynthesis? It was given by which of the scientists below? Yes, YouTube students, you can answer through the chat box. The first quick response is given by Pavitra, Bhuvan, Sharath, Jayashri, Jyoti, Shashank, yes, Sahana. Fine, please, all of you change your message settings, that a message to Nithi ma'am instead of message to everyone. Okay, so most of you answered it as option D. Few of you voted for option B, right? So let us check the answer here. The right answer of this question is answer D, that is T.W. Engelmann. So he was the first person who used the first action spectrum based on the photosynthesis. T.W. Engelmann. Next question. Joseph Priestley did his experiments with which organism? A. Chlorella, B. Mint plant, C. Green sulfur bacteria, D. Cladophora. Joseph Priestley did his experiments with which organism? Jyoti Laddi answered it. Jayashri answered to it. Yes, YouTube students, be fast. Fine. Shashank, yes, answered it. Be fast, be fast. 11 ಜನ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. I am getting only 3 to 4 responses. Why? Sharath answered it. Okay. Shrikant, Bhuvan, Sahana. Fine. Most of you voted it for option A. Few of you voted it for option D, that is Cladophora anta. The right answer for this question is answer B, mint plant. Joseph Priestley did his experiment with mint plant. Pudina anta ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅದು. Next question. Which of the following is the correct equation of photosynthesis? Do refer the reactions given below. Which of the following is correct equation of photosynthesis? Okay, so refer the options and let me know the answer. The first response is given by Bhuvan, Jayashri CM. Yes, YouTube students, be fast. Sahana, Shrikant, Madan, Jyoti, Pavitra. Good, most of you answered it. Shashank and Sharath, okay. So we know that photosynthesis only the products will be carbon dioxide and water, right? So this happens in chloroplast. I'm sorry, in presence of sunlight. These are the reactants. The reactants will be carbon dioxide and water. It occurs in chloroplast in presence of sunlight. The products will be glucose, water, and oxygen. So some of you voted as option C, some of you voted as option A. Fine. So let us check the answer here. The right answer is option A, that is 6CO2 plus 12H2O, C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. Okay, 6C, 6C, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so when you observe option C, see here 6 carbon, 6 carbon, 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 12, 24. Here when you see the oxygen, 6 plus 12. So what it is? 18. So oxygen is not balanced here. Okay, then when you see the hydrogen, hydrogen is 14, right? So here we don't have hydrogen or a water. What is the photosynthesis process? It is the reaction between carbon dioxide and water. But in the option C, they showed carbon dioxide and oxygen. So C ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ option ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? It is not at all related to photosynthesis. So the right answer is option A. Okay, next question. The method by which leaf pigments of any green plants can be separated is called as. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ leaf pigments ಅನ್ನ separate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? A, condensation, B, centrifugation, C, paper chromatography, D, distillation. Yes, YouTube students. Shashank, yes. Jayashri CM, Jyoti answer to it, Bhuvan answer to it. Good. Yeah, what about others? Ammu answer to it, Sharath answer to it. Okay. Yes, Damanna is active on YouTube. Pooja answer to it. Bhima Bhai Ambedkar is active on YouTube. Good, good morning. Madan Nayak answer to it. Good. So the right answer is here. Option C, that is paper chromatography. Some of you voted it for option A, condensation anta. What do you mean by condensation? ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರ್ ಕುದಿಯಕ್ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಕುದಿಯಕ್ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮುಚ್ಚಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕುದ್ದಾದ ನಂತರ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಡೆನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಲೀಫ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ನೋ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಟು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ ಎರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಿಲ್ವೋ ಆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ಅದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಇಂದ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅದು. ಇನ್ನು ಪೇಪರ್ ಕ್ರೊಮ್ಯಾಟೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅದರ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ, ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಲೀಫ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ the pigments of the leaf. So the right answer is here option C, paper chromatography. Paper chromatography. During which year Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen? A 1774, B 1770, C uh, yeah, C is 1884, D is 1880. Just a minute. Okay. Shashank, yes. Bhuvan, Pavitra, yes. YouTube students, what is your response on this? Ammu answered to it. Good. Madan Nayak, Sharat Pooja, fine. The confusion is between A and C, Anta. During which year Joseph Priestley discovered oxygen? The right answer is here option A, 1774. 1774 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆನ್ ಅರ್ತ್. ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಲೈಫಿನ ತಳಹದಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? It is the main source of all food on earth. It helps in increase of carbon dioxide into release of carbon dioxide into atmosphere. Good, Damanna answered it. It produces new offsprings. It gives no energy to plants. What is your response on this? Photosynthesis is the basis of life on earth. Madan Nayak, Shashank, Jayashri, Bhuvan answered to it. Okay. Yes, be fast. Pavitra, Damanna answer to it. Okay. So most of you voted for option A, few of you voted for option D. Okay. Yes, YouTube students, Biru, Bhimabai Ambedkar, Damanna, do participate in the chat box. So the right answer is here. See, it helps in the release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Totally a wrong statement because it releases oxygen. It produces new offsprings, not at all related to the photosynthesis. It gives no energy to the plants. Totally false statement. So the first statement, it is the main source of all the food on the earth, is the right answer. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Other than carbon dioxide and light, which is used as a raw material for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide ಮತ್ತೆ light ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ನಾವು raw material ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೇವೆ? A oxygen, B carbon dioxide, C water, D manganese oxide. Yes, Jayashri, Bhuvan, Madan Nayak answer to it. Damanna is active on YouTube. Shashank, yes. Ammu, answer to it. Good. Praveen Kumar. Yeah. Shrikant. So the right answer is here. Option C, water. See here, oxygen is a product of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is one of the raw material or a reactant of photosynthesis. Manganese oxide is not related at now during photosynthesis, that is this process. So as a raw material. So the right answer is here water. When you recall the equation of the photosynthesis, it is carbon dioxide plus H2O gives glucose and oxygen. Right? This is a simple equation of photosynthesis. So carbon dioxide and water. Water andre H2O. Option C is the right answer. Next question. Among the following, which compound does not play an important role in photosynthesis? ಯಾವ compound important role ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ? Yes, Bhimabai and Daman are active on YouTube. A. Xanthophyll, B. Anthocyanine, C. Chlorophyll, D. Phycoerythrin. Shashank, yes. Jayashri answered it. Yes, YouTube students. Pavitra Subramanya, she can't answer to it. Ammu answer to it. Yes, be fast. Madan Nayak answered it. Bhuvan answered it. So the confusion is between option B and option D, that is xanthophyll and phycoerythrin. So we know that option C does not holds good because chlorophyll is important compound. So when we discuss about the other pigments which are called as accessory pigments, so the main thing is anthocyanin. Anthocyanin pigment ಏನಿದೆ okay, anthocyanin pigment ಏನಿದೆ, it is not it does not play any important role during photosynthesis, whereas xanthophyll and phycoerythrin, so these are the pigments in certain algae, in certain kind of algae, in certain kind of ornamental plants, which also contributes for the photosynthesis. ಸೊ ಆಂಥೋಸಿಯಾನಿನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ, ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ is a right answer. Next question. What do we call the organism that does photosynthesis but does not release oxygen? ಸೊ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ನಾವು, ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಇದೆ, it will what it will do, it will do photosynthesis but it will not release the oxygen. So the first options are green sulfur bacteria, blue green algae, green algae, green plants. The quick response is given by Shashank, yes. Bhuvan, Srikanth answered it. Good. Fine. Pavitra, Ammu, Madan Nayak answered to it. Damanna is active on YouTube. Yeah. Sharath answered it. Yes. What about others? Yes, YouTube students. Pooja answered it. Good. So I'm very happy to share that I got seven responses, or seven people, what you can say is attended mock test yesterday. That too, what it is, NEET mock test. NEET mock test is attended by seven people. So it is Bhuvan attended it, Bhavyashri, Fatima, Bhagya, Jyoti, Madan Nayak, and Sada. Very good, good attempt. I don't know whether you guys attended the CET mock test. So this is regarding the NEET mock test form. Most of you got a good marks. Don't worry that if you got less than 30 or less than 40, because as we selected previous year question paper, a kind of a twisted questions from what you can say is ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಂದ ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟಫ್ ಆಗು ಅನ್ಸಿರ್ಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ರಿಯಲಿ ಅಪ್ರಿಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸಲ್ಫರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿದೆ, that is the right answer. Let us proceed to the next question. Who found that ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಇವಾಲ್ವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥೆಸಿಸ್. ಯಾರು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನೀರಿನಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫೋಟೋಸಿಂಥೆಸಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ? ಎ ಟಿ ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಗಲ್ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ಬಿ ಸಿ ವ್ಯಾನ್ ನೀಲ್, ಡಿ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಆರ್ ಹಿಲ್, ಡಿ ಎಸ್ ರೂಬನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೆಮೆನ್. Ruben and Kemen. Bhuvan, Ammu, Jayashri, Shashank, yes, answer to it. Yes, YouTube students, what is your response on this? Yeah, Bhima Bhai is active on YouTube. Madan Nayak answered it. So the confusion is between, yes, Damanna Shadap Tolagi is active on YouTube. The right answer for this question is option C. Most of you did not answer it correctly. R hill ಅನ್ನೋರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ is evolved or it will come from water during photosynthesis ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. R hill ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then what were the isotopes used to research about photosynthesis? Photosynthesis ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಐಸೋಟೋಪ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಬಳಸಲಾಗತ್ತೆ? A is 11C and 32P, B is 15C and 35C1, C is 13C and 14N, D is 14C and 18O. Shashank answered it. Yes, YouTube students. Only Shashank answered it. What about others? Ammu answered it. Just a minute. Okay. So YouTube is active again. Shadap Tolagi, Chaitanya, Damanna, Bhima Bai Ambedkar are active. So most of you selected as option A, few of you selected as option D anta. So the right answer, the isotopes used to research about photosynthesis is option D, that is 14C and 18O. 14C and 18O. Next question. Why is light energy used in photosynthesis? Light energy ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು photosynthesis ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Reduction of water, reduction of carbon dioxide, activation of chlorophyll, oxidation of glucose. Why we need light energy during photosynthesis? What is the use of that light energy? The quick response is given by Bhuvan. Shashank, yes. Yes, YouTube students. Yeah, be fast. Pooja. Yeah, only three answered it. Madan Nayak, Damanna from YouTube is active. Yes, come on, YouTube students. Bhima Bai, Shadap Toligi, Chaitanya, Biru. Yes. So most of you answered it as option C, Anta. That is Bhavana. Okay. Some of you answered it as option B, Anta. So the right answer, the light energy used in photosynthesis is to activate the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll activate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ light energy ಅನ್ನ use ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So where the light energy is converted into chemical energy. Next question. During photosynthesis, which light is least effective? ಯಾವ ಲೈಟು least effective ಆಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ಬೀರೋದಿಲ್ಲ? A is green light, B sunlight, C yellow light, D. Blue light. The quick response is given by Shashank. Yes. Yes, YouTube students. Bhuvan, Jyoti, Ammu answer to it. Yeah, be fast, be fast. ಯಾಕೆ ಲೇಜಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ? Bhavana answer to it. So most of you answered it as option A. Few of you answered it as option D. So the right answer is here option A, that is green light. Yes, Chaitanya is active on YouTube. Where does photosynthesis actually takes place? Yellagate photosynthesis. So very easy question. A is leaves, B is chloroplast, C is flowers, D is root. Where does photosynthesis occur? Shashank answered to it. Shadab Toligi, Dyamanna is active on YouTube. Good. Shrikant, Ammu answered to it. Pooja answered it. So most of you voted for option A, that is leaves anta. Next, some of you voted for option B. Few of you voted for option D, roota. Rootal photosynthesis agata. Okay. So the right answer is here option B, that is chloroplast. Next question. Yes, where does photosynthesis takes place in C3 plants? C3 plants ಅಲ್ಲಿ photosynthesis ಎಲ್ಲಾಗತ್ತೆ? A is C3 station, B is arthroplasty, C is mesosomes, D is mesophyll cells. Where does photosynthesis takes place in C3 plants? Shashank, yes, answered it. Sadap Toligi, Chaitanya answered it. Yes. Bhavana answered it. Damanna is active on YouTube. Shrikant answered it. So, A and D. So, some of you are voting for option D, mesophyll cells anta. Some of you telling you as option A, C3 station anta. So, in the C3 plants, the photosynthesis takes place in mesophyll cells. ಯಾವ cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ? Mesophyll cells ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Photosynthesis ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Okay. Chloroplasts are also known as chloroplasts ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರೇನು? Photosynthetic factories, food makers, color factories, life givers. Yes, chloroplasts are also known as. Yes, Chaitanya, Shadab Tolagi, Damanna are active on YouTube. The quick response is given by Shashank. Shrikant, Pavitra. Yes, Shadab Tolagi answered it. Okay. So most of you voting it for option A, photosynthetic factory. Exactly. Option A, photosynthetic factory is the right answer. Next question. Which part of the chloroplast contains all the water soluble enzymes? ಯಾವ part ಅಲ್ಲಿ water soluble enzymes ಗಳಿವೆ chloroplast ಅಲ್ಲಿ? A is lamella, B is stroma, C is matrix, D is chlorophyll. The quick response is given by Shashank, Pavitra, Chaitanya. Yeah. Water soluble enzymes are present in. Shrikant, Sharath, Pavitra, yes, answered it. Ammu answered it. So the right answer is here option C, that is matrix. in which part of the chloroplast contain water soluble? Yes, Jyoti Natekar is active on YouTube. Yeah. So option C, matrix ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ವಾಟರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಎನ್ಸೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಣ್ಸಿಕ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರೊಮ್ಯಾಟೋಗ್ರಾಮ್? ಕ್ರೊಮ್ಯಾಟೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಎ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಗ್ರೀನ್, ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಆರೆಂಜ್, ಗುಡ್. Xanthophyll yellow, carotenoids bright or blue green. What is the correct color matching in chromatogen? Quick response is given by Sharath, Shashank yes, Bhuvan. Yeah. Yes, Shadab Tolgi, Dyamanna are active on YouTube. Be fast. Which is the correct color matching in chromatogen? Chromatogram. Shrikant answer to it. So the right answer for this question is option C, that is xanthophyll yellow ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. Next question. Which of the following is the main functions of the carotins? Carotins ನ function ಏನು? A is not an accessory pigment. B is photooxidation. C is helps in photosynthesis. D is helps in transpiration. What is the main function of carotins? The quick response is given by Shashank yes, Pavitra, Bhuvan. Ammu, Madan, Bhavna. So the right answer here is option B, that is photooxidation. Main function of carotins ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Photooxidation. Yes, Dyamanna Jyoti Natekar answered to it. Shadab Tolgi answered it. Good. So the right answer is option B. Next question. Methyl group is mainly present in which of the photosynthetic pigment? Methyl group is mainly present in which of the photosynthetic pigment? A is chlorophyll B, B is xanthophyll, C is carotenoids, D is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A. Yes, the quick response is given by Chaitanya, Shashank yes, Kavya M. Yeah. Bhuvan. Fine. So most of you answered it as option D, that is chlorophyll A will be having the methyl group. Dyamanna answered to it. So option D is the correct answer, that is chlorophyll A. Next question. Who found out that who found out that pigment chlorophyll, just a minute, found in the chloroplast in a plant cell. Chlorophyll is present in plant cell ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು? A is Robert Hill, B is Hugo de Vries, C is Julian von Sachs, D is C. van Nee. Yes, Jyoti, Dyamanna, Shadab Tolgi, Chaitanya are active on YouTube. Quick response is given by Kavya M, Shashank yes, Madan Nayak. Okay, so most of you are answering it as option A. Few of you answered it as option C, right? Fine. Sharath answered it. So the right answer for this question is option C, that is Julius von Sachs. He was the person who discovered pigment chlorophyll is there in chloroplast. Next, how many number of chlorophyll are present in a photosynthetic unit? ಒಂದು photosynthetic unit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು chlorophyll ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ? A is 100 to 150, B is 90, C is 200 to 250. D is 300 to 350. Yes, Jyoti, Shadap Tolagi are active on YouTube. The quick response is given by Kavya, Shashank, yes. Yes, what about others? Ammu answered it. Okay. So most of you answered it for option A. Some of you answered it for option C. The right answer is option C, 200 to 250. 200 to 250. Chaitanya and Jyoti answer to it. Yes, Damanna is active on YouTube. Fine. So let us proceed to the next question. Which is false regarding chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D? Sorry, chlorophyll B. A is chlorophyll B is an accessory pigment. B, chlorophyll is the main chief pigment. C, chlorophyll is more than chlorophyll B. Both are present in equal proportion. Yes, Shashank, yes, Shadap Toligi, Jyoti, Dyamanna are active on YouTube. Kavya Yam answer to it. Yeah. What about others? Ammu answer to it. Pavitra. Okay. So most of you answered it as option B. Some of you voted for option C and option D. So which is false regarding chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B? That is Chaitanya answered through the chat box. The right answer is option D. Both are present in equal proportion. Chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, equal proportion irodilla. Next question. The reaction center in the light harvesting complex is formed by ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? A is chlorophyll B, B is grana, C is chlorophyll E, D is a single chlorophyll molecule. Yes, Chaitanya, Shadap Toligi, Dyamanna are active on YouTube. Yeah, the reaction center in the light harvesting complex is formed by. Bhuvan answered it. Shashank, yes. Bhavana, okay. So most of you answered it as option A. Few of you answered it as option B. That is Grananta. The right answer is a single chlorophyll, a molecule. Reaction center in the light harvesting complex is formed by, that is a single chlorophyll molecule. That is the right answer. Okay. Now let us discuss some other questions. Wait for a minute. Just a minute. You can again listen to these sessions by attending the YouTube, by logging into our YouTube channel. You can get these videos again. So after 2 days, the videos will be uploaded. Okay. This is a simple question. Yeah. Which is correct regarding photosynthesis? You have to say which is correct regarding photosynthesis. A. Carbon dioxide is obtained from the atmosphere. B. Water is absorbed from the soil through the stem system. C. Sunlight is trapped by pigments called xanthophyll. D. Chlorophyll absorbs green light. Which is correct regarding photosynthesis? The quick response is given by Shashank. Yes. Kavya, Bhuvan. Yes, be fast. Pavitra, Bhavana. Okay, very easy question and very quick responses. Option A is a right answer. Yes, YouTube students, be active. Next question. Dark reactions of photosynthesis are actually not totally independent of light, as the initial reactions occur in presence of light. The reaction will be inhibited by the presence of light. They can occur during the day as well. They utilize the products of light reaction. The quick response is given by Madan Nayak. Chaitanya and Shradap Tolagi are active on YouTube. Yes, come on, guys. Shashank, yes, answered it. The right answer for this question is option D. They utilize the product of the light reaction. That is why dark reaction is not completely independent of light. Okay, next question. All the following regarding the role of xanthophylls and carotenoids in the photosynthesis are correct except ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅವರು xanthophylls carotenoids ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 4 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅವುಗಳ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They act as accessory pigments. Their peak absorption is in blue and red region in the Vibgyor. They enable a wide range of wavelength of incoming light to be utilized for photosynthesis. They protect chlorophyll from a photooxidation. So the quick response is given by Shradap Tolagi from YouTube, Madan Nayak, Bhuvan, Shashank, yes, Sharat. So the confusion is between option 2 and option 4, that is option B and option D. So the right answer is here option B. Their peak position absorption is blue and red region. That is a right answer. Next question. Compared to retinal, chlorophyll can be described as a pigment that has a narrow absorption range but high efficiency, narrow absorption range but low efficiency, wide absorption range but high efficiency, wide absorption range but low efficiency. So which is a how can you describe a pigment that is chlorophyll compared to retinal? Yes, Chaitanya and Shradap Tolagi are active on YouTube. Be fast, YouTube students. Be fast. Madan, Ammu, Shradap Tolagi. So most of you answered it as option A, Anta. Sharat. The right answer for this question is option A, that is narrow absorption range but high efficiency. Jyoti Natekar is active on YouTube. Next question. The half-leaf experiment showed that dash is important for photosynthesis. Half-leaf experiment in the ಏನ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ನಾವು? A is oxygen, B is carbon dioxide, C is sunlight, D is chlorophyll. The half-leaf experiment show that dash is important for photosynthesis. Pavitra answered to it. Yes, YouTube students. Bhuvan, Shashank answered to it. Fine. So the right answer for this question, the half-leaf experiment showed the what you can say is presence of carbon dioxide or importance of carbon dioxide in the photosynthesis. Next question. A compound was used in the half-leaf experiment to absorb carbon dioxide. Half-leaf experiment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್? KMNO4, that is potassium permanganate, HCl hydrochloric acid, NaOH sodium hydroxide, KOH potassium hydroxide. Yes, Chaitanya and Jyoti are active on YouTube. The quick response is given by Bhuvan. Yeah, be fast, be fast. Shashank, yes, answer to it. Chaitanya, answer to it. So the right answer is, as they asked in a particular experiment, we have to write a particular compound, that is potassium hydroxide or KOH, which absorbs the carbon dioxide released. Next question. Chlorophyll B is the major pigment associated with photosynthesis. Whether this statement is true or false? Yes, Jyoti is active on YouTube. Yeah, tell me. Chlorophyll B is the major pigment associated with photosynthesis. Whether this is a true statement or a false statement. The quick response is given by Shashank. Yes. Yes, what about others? Fine. Let us check the answer. Madan Nayak answer to it. So the right answer is option A, that is true. Next question. This we already discussed. Who found the presence and properties of glucose in green plants? Green plants ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲುಕೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದೋರು ಯಾರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? A is T.W. Engelmann. Shadab Tolagi is active on YouTube. C. Van Neel. C. Julius von Sachs. D. Jan Ingenhouse. So who found the presence and properties of glucose in green plants? The quick response is given by Shashank. Bhuvan. Yes, YouTube students, be fast. Yeah. So most of you answered it as option A. Some of you answered it as option D and option C, right? So the right answer for this question is option C, that is Julius von Sachs. Julius von Sachs. The first action spectrum, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲ್ತ್ವಿ. Next, ಇದು ಆಯ್ತು. So the following diagram represents Joseph Priestley experiment, Gregor Mendel experiment, Engelmann experiment, Linnaeus experiment. Which diagram is represented by, which experiment is represented by the diagram? Pavitra answered it. Shashank, yes, answer to it. Yes, Jyoti and Chaitanya, Shadab Tolagi are active on YouTube. Yeah. So the right answer for this question is option A, that is Joseph Priestley experiment. Presence of oxygen, right? Next question. ಇದು ಆಗಿದೆ. Yeah. The first acceptor of electron from an excited chlorophyll molecule of photosystem 2 is. Photosystem 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ first acceptor ಯಾರ್ದು? ಯಾರು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿನ acceptor? A is quinone, D is cytochrome, C is iron sulfur protein, D is ferredoxin. So who is the first acceptor of an electron? Shashank, yes, answered it. Chaitanya is active on YouTube. So the right answer is here option A, that is quinone. So quinone is the first electron acceptor, correctly answered by Sharat. Option A is the right answer. The primary acceptor of carbon dioxide in C3 plant is option 1 RUBP, 2 PGA phosphoglyceric acid, 3 PEP, D malic acid. So which is the primary acceptor of carbon dioxide in C3 plant? Shashank, yes, answered it. Jyoti Natekar and Chaitanya are active on YouTube. Sharat, Bhuvan answered to it. So as they asked the primary or the first acceptor of neutron, Shadab Tolagi is active on YouTube. So the right answer is here option A, RUBP. Ammu also answered it, RUBP. Next question. Choose the correct statements about C4 plants. One is mesophyll cells possess rubisco. Neither mesophyll cells nor bundle sheath cells possess rubisco. Yes, mesophyll cells have PEPKs which converts carbon dioxide into oxaloacetic acid. 4. Bundle sheath cells synthesize OAA which is 4 carbon compound. Yes, who is going to answer this? The quick response is given by Shashank, then Madan, Shadab Tolagi, Jyoti, Chaitanya are active on YouTube. Sharat also answered it. So the right answer for this question, that is correct statement about C4 plant, is option C. Mesophyll cells have PEPKs which convert carbon dioxide into OAA. Kelvin cycle takes place in only C3 plants, only C4 plants, both C3 and C4, neither C3 and C4. Yes, the quick response is given by Shashank. What about others? Yes, YouTube students. Bhuvan, Sharath also answer to it. Fine. So the right answer for this question, Kelvin cycle takes place in option C, that is both C3 and C4 plants, we can observe what we can say is Kelvin cycle. Next question. In a chloroplast, the highest number of protons are found in stroma, lumen of thylakoids, intermembrane spaces, antennae complex. So where do you find highest number of proteins? Yes, YouTube student Jyoti and Shradhap Tolagi are active on YouTube. Find the quick response is given by Sharath Shashank. So the right answer for this question is option B, lumen of thylakoids. These are present in lumen of thylakoids. Read the following four statements A, B, C and D and select the right option having both correct statements. A. Z scheme of light reaction takes place in presence of PSI only. Only PSI, that is photosystem 1, is functional in cyclic photophosphorylation. C. Cyclic photophosphorylation results into synthesis of ATP and NADPH2. D. Stromal lamellae like PS2 as well as NADP. So which are the options? Option 1 A and B, 2 B and C, 3 C and D, D is 4 and B and D. Yes, the quick response is given by Shashank. Fine, Bhuvan answered it. Okay. Pavitra answered it. Fine. Yes, Pavitra Madan Nayak answered it. Okay, fine. So again, I'm pasting mock test link. Do attend it. NEET as well as CET. Fine. So these are the forms. Do attend the mock test links. So if you don't get, you can check the links in the description box. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಲಿಂಕ್, ಸಾರಿ ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. Fine. So this is about today's session, my dear boys and girls. Okay. So tomorrow we are going to discuss other concept. Let me tell you the concept, that is respiration in plants. Tomorrow we are going to discuss respiration in plants. Okay. Meet you all soon in the next session. Until that, take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.